Hi, I'm Eric with Mid-Ohio Valley Anchor Realty. Have you been thinking of selling your home and you just don't know where to start? Let me recommend you start with me. As a realtor, I believe this is one of my strongest and best values for you, my client. Preparing a home to list for sale is a little bit of a process. Let me put your mind at ease by walking you through that process. Let me just show you a few things that I'm going to do for you. Before we meet at your house, I will be prepared and I will do what's called a current market analysis. My recommendations are rooted in several things, one being my experience, but also the empirical data about what homes are actually listing and selling at. Real estate is both a numbers game and a gut check, and my recommendations come from that reservoir. I will be prepared to discuss the value of your home, and I like to do it on a 3-tier system, with the lowest tier being, what is your home worth today as it sits? If you need to list and sell quickly and you don't have the time, resources, or the energy to do anything to the home, what could we list your home for today, realistically? The second tier is, what if you were to spend just a little bit of time, effort, and your resources to improve the property to make it maybe more show ready and more move-in ready for the next buyers? And then the third tier is, what if you had some time and some resources and some energy to spend some money to get that money and then some back out at the listing price? Homes are just like people. Everyone is different. Not all homes need the same attention. Not all home owners are able to give their homes the same attention before listing. But there are some basic things that all homes should have before we put your home on the market. Let me show you just a few of those basic things that should be done. Let's think about decluttering. You're looking at moving anyway, so let's just get a head start. The more tidy and clutter-free a home is, the better it's going to show. They say cleanliness is next to godliness. Now, I don't know about that, but I do know a clean home shows better. On the exterior of a home, curb appeal, that's a thing. How people feel when they pull up to your house, that impression lasts. The discussion for preparing the outside of your home is much like it is on the inside. All of those same points apply. But let me show you just a few basic items that every home needs. The goals at any listing on the exterior is to present a nice, tidy, and debris-free presentation. This includes those pesky fall leaves as well. Make your flower beds look clean and tidy. This applies to all patios and porches as well. So at the end of our visit, we're going to have a good idea about what work may need to be done to prepare your house to list. And we're both going to know what the pricing and marketing strategy is based upon your stated goals. I'm right here when you need me. Call me when you're ready.